Talking Life with Dr. Wendy. Everybody's talking about vitamin D. So I did a little research and I've been to a convention and learned a lot. So, New Mexico is the fourth sunniest state in the United States. And New Mexico residents have a 70% vitamin D deficiency. So we need to work on this. You can only get vitamin D from the sun, from fatty fish, mushrooms, and a lot of fortified stuff. I try not to eat fortified foods. It's so important for muscle strength, cardiovascular health, immune response, and mood regulation. We need vitamin D. To be continued. Have a great day.